Hello everyone, you are welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we are going to be doing a practical session on how we can do our first transaction on the Trust Wallet. Remember last time we created an account and we did a practical session of it, how to create an account on the Trust Wallet. We also copied down our seed phrases and it was a practical session as well. In today's lesson, we are also going to be doing another practical session on how you can do your first transaction on the Trust Wallet. So you follow along as I demonstrate for you to understand. Follow each step. If this is your first time you're seeing my video, please refer back to my channel, refer back to my YouTube channel, and you will understand. You will see all of my videos that I've been uploading. Please, you should also remember to like, subscribe, and share. Invite others to join us and learn more about cryptocurrency. So in today's lesson, we are going to be breaking down. We are going to do a live session to demonstrate how you can actually execute your first transaction on the Trust Wallet. Follow along. So assuming we have created our Trust Wallet account already, we look for our Trust Wallet. Here is our Trust Wallet. I open our Trust Wallet. Remember, we created a pin when we were actually creating our Trust Wallet, and we said your pin is what you use when you want to log in into your account. So we said you have to use your pin when you are logging into your account. So in today's lesson, we are going to use that pin. I generated a pin and we are going to use, I'm also going to use my pin. My pin gives access for me to my wallet. So I will input my pin and my wallet is open. This is my wallet. You can see I have some funds inside my wallet. I have $19 in my wallet. So let's perform a live session to send some funds like to somebody else. Remember on the Trust Wallet, I said you could create multiple wallets. If you want to diversify your funds, you could create multiple wallets. So I have here two wallets. I have wallet 1 and wallet 2. So I will be performing this transaction between my wallet 1 and my wallet 2 for you to understand how you can actually do a transaction on the Trust Wallet. So let's choose the cryptocurrency we should send here. I think we should go with the BitTorrent. Yeah, I think we should go with the BitTorrent. So you that you are receiving, I want to send this BitTorrent to you. I said I have BitTorrent and this BitTorrent is on the Tron network. Remember we said before you receive or send cryptocurrency, you must choose the right network. So if you can see, this BitTorrent is on the Tron network. So you that you are receiving this BitTorrent I want to send, I am expecting you to copy BitTorrent address from the Tron network. It is not from the BNB smart chain. So this one is from the Tron network. So let me switch to my wallet 2. Since I am receiving in my wallet 2, you as the receiver, take my wallet 2 to be you as the receiver. I switch to my wallet 2. Under my wallet 2, I am going to be receiving BitTorrent from you. You are going to be receiving BitTorrent from me. So what I do is, you come here, you click here on this search. Look here, there is a search icon here. Where you click on the search icon, what you do is you type the token you want to receive from the person. You can type BTT, you can type the full name as well as you can type the abbreviation of this token if you actually know the abbreviation. So this is BitTorrent here. I want to receive this BitTorrent from somebody. You are receiving this BitTorrent from me. So I click on BitTorrent. Then I am receiving. I don't have BitTorrent yet, though I have some 1,000 there in my. This you can see the balance here. This is the balance here, 1,000. I have 1,000 BTT in my wallet. I want to receive from you. So I click on receive. I click on the receive. This is my wallet address that has been displayed here. I am receiving. I want to copy this wallet address and send to you so that you want to copy this wallet address and send to me so that I can send funds through this wallet address. You can see it is written there, the Tron. You can see here it is written there, Tron. You can see the Tron logo on this to tell you that this is BitTorrent on the Tron network. Remember, we thought about crypto network. We said network can be built. Other crypto token can be built on different networks. This one is built on the Tron network. So I copy. You come here, you see copy here. I click there and you see address copied. The address has been copied. So now I go now to my wallet one. My wallet one is my main wallet. I am the sender. You are the receiver. I go back to my wallet one. When I switch back to my wallet one, I am now sending. I am not receiving. I'm sending to you. You were receiving. So you copy the received. You went back to the received and copy the address and send to me. Now I am the one sending. So I have the funds here. I could simply go follow the same procedure. I search for BitTorrent. I search for BitTorrent. I can search for BitTorrent here. Let's say I write BTT. You will see BitTorrent will appear. This is my BitTorrent here. I click on it. Now I am sending. I am not receiving. I am sending BitTorrent. So what I do is I click on send. When I click on send, it takes me to this interface where I am supposed to paste the receiving wallet address. Assuming you have sent your wallet address, you copy from the received. You have sent it to me on WhatsApp and I have copied it. I will come here as I'm sending, I will paste. I paste the wallet here. When I paste this wallet here, the next thing to do is I continue. One thing you should notice when I pasted this wallet is you could see Tron. The network is indicated there, telling you that it is Tron. Since it is Tron, means you have to have at least a small amount of Tron in your wallet that will cover the gas fee, because you will be paying this gas fee in the Tron. Remember, I said when you are paying gas fee, you pay gas fee using the network token. And on the Tron network, we have a Tron token that you use. You have to have a few amount of Tron in your wallet that will cover these charges, you as the sender. So I continue. When I continue here, is now I am taken to this interface where I am supposed to enter the amount I want to send to you. You see, I have 30 million, over 30 million of BitTorrent in this wallet. Let's say I want to send 5 million. I enter the amount as 5 million, as I will be sending you 5 million worth of BTT. I click on review. When you click on the review, it gives you the detail. Remember, I said when you are sending a cryptocurrency, you have to own this cryptocurrency. You have to show that you own this cryptocurrency. When you execute a transaction, you have to sign the sending agreement. This is what we mean by a sending agreement. You have to review and make sure that you understand what you are doing. The amount to be sent is 5 million BTT. The main wallet is for my main wallet, which is my wallet one. Two, they put the receiver's address on which network, the Tron network. Then down you will see network fee 20% discount in TRX. TRX is the Tron token, and I'm going to pay a total of 1.3253 TRX, which is worth 0.45 cent in dollars. So this is the amount I am going to pay as gas fee. This gas fee I use to gas fees are used to compensate validators, those who are actually going to validate this transaction. Yeah, and they also use to for the network maintenance. So this gas fee, it will be used to reward validators, a person that will be selected to validate this transaction. Part of this gas fee will be used to reward him. And we say validators are people that stake their cryptocurrency on the blockchain network and are given the chance to be able to be chosen to validate transactions. And in turn, when they validate these transactions, they are paid. This gas fee, part of this gas fee goes to them to compensate their work, to compensate their log up on the network. So we said we are going to pay 1.3253 TRX, which is the tron. Now, if I click on send, means I have validated this transaction. I have signed the agreement to send this coin from my wallet. So I click on send. Since Trust Wallet is very secure, it's not just going to execute the transaction. I need to input my private keys to make sure my PIN, to make sure that I am actually the one that is validating this transaction. I have signed this sending agreement to make sure that I have decided to send cryptocurrency to somebody else. So now I enter my PIN. When I enter my PIN, you see loading. I have confirmed this transaction. The transaction is sending. You can see sending. I can click on details and you'll see this transaction is sending. Let's go back here and you will see transaction. This is indicating that it has been received because I am transacting from my wallet 1 to my wallet 2. So you will also receive this notification that you have received cryptocurrency from this person. You can as well go here. You can as well go under Tron and you will see the summary of the transactions. You can go under Tron. Excuse me. I go back here to the main screen. When you go back to the main screen, you can go back to the main screen. You click on the Tron. When you click on the Tron network, we are going to see the details of this transaction. There is a transaction history here. We click on a transaction history. This is a transaction history showing that I have sent out a total of 5 million BTT worth $1.43 to this amount. You see it is indicated as completed. The transaction has been verified and it has been executed and the coins has been sent already to the receiver. You can as well use the blockchain explorer. Remember, we said the blockchain explorer is seen on the blockchain for everyone. It's an address generated after a transaction has been successful. Anyone can click on this blockchain explorer now and verify this transaction to see if this transaction has been successful. And since we are using the Tron network, it is on the Tron scam. So you can see this is the entire transaction details. You see, this is my wallet address. I have transferred 5 million of this to this address. And what is the transaction hash? The transaction hash is also there. And you can also see the block confirmations. You can see the result as it has been successful. So this is, I can copy this. I can copy this blockchain explorer address and send to you, and you will verify to see that I actually executed this transaction successfully. Then let's go now to switch to my wallet 2 to check if we actually receive this transaction. Let's check if actually this BitTorrent was sent to this wallet. And of course, you can see here, this is it. we have received this BitTorrent. You can see 5 million. When you go here, you will see the history, recent history. You will see you have received, you can see you have received from this date. They have put the date is there, the time of the execution of the transaction. You see the address that they send, the sender address, the fee the sender paid. You can as well click on the blockchain explorer, and you also check the transaction to see details about the transaction. It is still the same blockchain explorer telling you that this transaction came from this address, which is my address. You receive it in this address, which is your address. This amount was sent. This amount is worth $1.43 and it was confirmed. So basically, this is how to do your first transaction on the Trust Wallet. So we have sent and we have received. This entire transaction now is now recorded as a successful transaction, and it is registered now on the blockchain. As it is registered on the blockchain, it is stored inside a block, and this transaction shall stay on the blockchain forever. No one can change it. No one can alter this transaction history. It stays on the blockchain forever. This is a successful transaction. I hope you learn something from today's lesson and you can be able to do your own transaction. It is not difficult. Remember, I said you click on the coin you want to send. The receiver has already sent you the address. You click on the coin. You take the send option. You paste the wallet. You continue. You enter the amount. When you enter the amount, yeah, you enter the amount, then now you can continue and you send the coins to the receiver. So this is how a transaction is done on the Trust Wallet. I hope you learn. I hope you enjoy it. Please, you should like, you should follow, you should subscribe, you should invite others, and stay tuned because we are going to be doing more of these practical sessions, practical lessons for you to be able to manipulate with your own Trust Wallet practically, and also understand what you can actually do with your coins. Thank you, and I will see you in another one. Until then, you stay blessed.